Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebecca. On this channel, I post informative content about education, lifestyle, career, business, and many more. If these are contents you're interested in, then please go ahead and click on the subscribe button below, and you can also click on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a video. So let me ask you guys, are you tired of getting the same salary every month? Or you're looking for ways by which you can have multiple sources of income? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to share with you ways by which you can earn more in 2022. Number one way by which you can earn more is to have a side hustle. So what is a side hustle? So I call a side hustle a side job or side business that you do at your free time. Okay, it's not a full-time job, most especially if you're someone who does a 9-to-5 job. Okay, so this side hustle is something you can do at your free will, at your free time. You can do it on weekends, you can do it after you get back from work. There are so many things you can do or start as a side hustle. It can be buying and selling of goods. It can be providing services online. For example, if you're buying and selling, you can buy items like clothes, shoes, accessories, and you sell. You can sell online, and you can even have a physical store if you want. Okay? And example of services that you can provide online. You can be a tutor. You can be a marketer. You can be a writer, you can be a website developer, you can be a software programmer, and so many others. There are so many side hustles you can do, okay? And you can even pick from your hobby. If you like sewing clothes, then that's an hobby, right? So you can start selling clothes. If you like making shoes, that's an hobby. Then you can start selling shoes. So you can turn your hobby into money also. And all this you can do from the comfort of your home. You can even earn daily, weekly, monthly, depends on what side hustle you decide to do. Another way by which you can earn more is to demand a pay rise. Okay, so this option is for those that are working in an organization or you're working under someone. Okay, so you can go to your boss and say, hey boss, increase my salary. Guys, please do not do that. I'm not giving you that kind of advice, okay? Before you can demand a pay rise from someone, that means there is an additional value you're adding to the company or organization, right? When compared to when you're just employed, right? So when you were employed and presently, is there anything that has improved? Is there any additional task you're taking? Is there any additional value you're adding to the company? Okay, so this will be considered before your boss or your employer can decide to increase your salary. So what are the ways by which you can add value to yourself for your employer to increase your salary? Number one, you can get more certifications. So when you're getting certifications, right, it means you're gaining skills or knowledge that can be an added value to your company, and you can table this to your employer. Okay, I have this so-so certifications, I have this so-so skills, and I can make use of these skills in the company. I can help with this, help with that, and of course I trust that the employer is going to consider that. Also, another way by which you can make your employer increase your salary is to simply get another job. So when you get another job and the salary pay is higher than what you're presently earning, you can also inform your boss about this or your employer about this. Tell your employer, I've gotten another job and the job is willing to pay me this so amount, or they are willing to pay me more than what I am earning presently. Okay, so are you going to allow me to leave, or you are going to increase my salary? So you're going to place your employer on a condition. Okay, the conditions are to either increase your salary or to release you to go for another job. So those are ways by which you can make your employer to increase your salary. Another way by which you can earn more in 2022 is to invest. Okay, so what does investing means? It means you're putting your money into acquiring assets or items that will generate more money or will appreciate. Investing requires you to sacrifice your time, your money and your efforts, okay, depending on the kind of investments you want to put your money into. So there are so many things you can invest your money into. You can invest your money in stock, in real estate, properties, bonds, shares, and so many more. But one thing I'm going to tell you is whatever you're investing your money into, please make sure you do your research properly, okay? Whatever you're investing your money into, whether it is digital currency, whether it is real estate, whatsoever it is, make your research properly before you put your money into it. Another thing I do tell people is when you're investing, right, depending on the kind of investment, if it's an investment that you're not 100% sure of, then do not put the money that you cannot let go of into that investment, okay? In case something happens, then be prepared to let go of the money that you invest in that business. But if it's a business that you can trust, if it's an investment that you're 100% sure nothing is going to happen to your money, then you can invest as much as you want to. Lastly, another way you can earn more money is to save. I'm sure you all are looking at me. How can I earn more by saving? Yes, of course you can earn more by saving, okay? But do not expect so much interest, so much money by saving. But I can tell you ways by which you can earn more when you save. For example, fixed deposits. Okay, so you can put your money in the bank and a certain percentage will be added to the money as an interest at the end of the month, at the end of the year. Instead of the money just being in your account, you're not using it to do anything. If you have any spare money, just put it in a fixed deposit, and at the end of the month you get something in return, even though it is little, but at least it is better than nothing. Another one banks offer is target account. That target account also operates like a fixed deposit. Okay, so when you put your money, there's always going to be an increase at the end of the month. There will be an interest that will be added to the money depending on the percentage the banks are willing to offer. So for this, you also need to check with your banks how much percentage they are willing to add as interest when you put your money in a target account. Also, we have mobile platforms like Piggyvest and the others. I'm not going to mention their names because I'm not doing advert for them. So make your research yourself. So on these platforms, we have some businesses, and when you invest your money into the business, you get certain percentage at the end of the month, at the end of 6 months or a year, depending on the percentage the business owner is willing to offer. It also provides a normal savings, okay? So you can also put in your money and a certain percentage will be added at the end of the month. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and I'm sure you've learned 1 or 2 things you can do to earn more in 2022. And let me tell you guys, all these points I've given, they are things I've tried out, okay, and it's worked out well for me, and some of them I'm still doing it up till now, and I'm earning from those areas. If you like this video and you want more of this content, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? It is free, okay? So click on the subscribe button, and you can also click on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.